So hi friends, this is a video for our embryology students or young doctors who are planning to start their own IVF or IUI center. So tomorrow we have a lot of cases posted for IUI, and today is a Saturday and tomorrow Sunday they are doing it. We are planning to do it. So I am just demonstrating to you how I am preparing the place. So now we have our standard unit, which is over here, that you can see. Nice beautiful unit. It is made of stainless steel. Okay, and as you can see over here, we have switched on the laminar flow, which is going to give us ultra pure air. And now all that we are doing it is cleaning it with spirit. Okay, so there would be some people who would definitely keep saying that spirit should not be used for this because it releases a lot of VOCs. However, this is a standard of doing the cleaning in our center. Only thing what we do is we do it one day prior, so that any bad chemical, the smell or the VOCs escape by the time we end up doing the actual procedure. So this is late at night today, okay, that we are doing this cleanup. In my cases, since I do everything on my own, otherwise I don't get a good night's sleep, I am doing the cleaning process also on my own. Okay, this makes sure that all the surfaces are cleaned 3-4 times. All that I am using is this is clinical spirit, which we have put in a spraying container, and this is how we spray. And then we take a standard toilet paper roll. Okay, we roll it like this, alright, and we do the good old cleaning. Alright, you have to do this before the procedure. So this is almost done every night before we go ahead with our cases the next day. So I thought of showing this to you because there are so many chemicals which are there on the market for cleaning different things, but the standard spirit works very well. It has been doing a good job to us and has been giving a very good result since such a long time. And as I tell you always, a good IUI or a good IVF has a lot of work that goes in the background, which people do not realize. And most youngsters feel that we can just directly plug and play, just go ahead and start the center and we'll get good results. But no, this is not how it happens. You have to earn your good results with hard work and by making sure that all surfaces stay clean. That is the most basic thing that you can do. This is also a good time to test and retest all your equipment to make sure that all your equipment is functional, so that if there is any issue with the equipment, you can replace them now and not tomorrow. Okay, so this we have ensured that this entire surface is clean and sterile. Okay, for tomorrow's cases we have sterilized the individual blocks also. Some people prefer to do steam autoclave, that's also okay, but we have got very good results with the way we do our stuff. So I am showing this to you with just one hand because the other hand is used to hold the cell phone. Okay, however, I am getting a decent cleaning done. Okay, so these are the heat blocks. These are going to keep all our test tubes nice and warm. Okay, so here you can see keeping the test tubes nice and warm. Okay, this is the sensor which we are placing inside. Alright, at the end of this we will plug it and see whether it works or not after our cleanup. And as you can see, it works very nicely. We'll wait for it to reach the desired temperature as well. And this is our simple microscope. No need for expensive hi-fi microscopes just for IUI sperm preparation, because we have already seen the sperms very well on our high-end machines. I generally also tend to see most of the specimens on my own and decide whether IUI will work for them or they require ICSI or IVF or whatever. So definitely this is a good way of going ahead. You can see over here, this is the set temperature and this is the present temperature. Slowly with time the stage heats up inside and this heats up the blocks. Okay, so do remember your back end job is very important. Preparation before any case is very important. Don't take it very lightly. If you want good results, if you want predictable results, even in a small treatment like IUI or in major treatments like IVF, it is necessary to do most of your things on your own. I hope this will help younger students. Thank you very much.